Hey guys, we just made it here to Ocdiesel in Edmonton on their Cars and Coffee. It's got a mix of everything here, from Lamborghinis to some retro 80s machines, all the way to our beloved diesels. So if you want to check out some turbos, front wheel drive fuel injection, some Autobahn cruisers, some heavy duty diesels, and even some classic muscle cars, everything is sitting in this parking lot. So we're gonna go inside, check out some of the accessories and some of the stuff that they have in there, grab a hot dog, look at some of these machines and see how they're doing. So let's kick some tires, shall we? Well guys, there's some really sweet machines here, and we got some that I'm going to show you that's going to really be kind of the most different, unique vehicle here. So we're going to test out some of these vehicles and show you what they have. But yeah, a lot of modifications and definitely no shortage of customization in a lot of these rides. So it goes to show you what the human imagination can do to your ride and what there is available. So sky's the limit, guys. Let's go enjoy some of these beautiful fine machines and take a look at what some of the modifications people have implanted on their four wheels. Here's a nice Chevy Silverado, cat eyes. It's got a nice turbo on it. That thing's huge. So I'm not sure what it's running. Again, some of the owners are around, but I won't be able to tell you. But this one here is packing a punch, I believe. It's got kind of slicks in the back. And yeah, it shows she's a short box, short cab. Just the way a pickup truck looks best in. So she's looking good, guys. And then we're going to go to the 442 Oldsmobile. And this guy here is, again, packing a bit of a punch. Mostly stock, though. It's got the stock seats, stock interior. She's looking very clean. It's got that nice late 70s, early 80s gold brown color scheme going on. And again, this looks like it's a big engine. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not a Chevy guy, so not sure. Probably a big block 454 possibly. But guys in the comments might know and might perk up. But anyway, she's running bigger wheels and tires in the back, just like the Silverado. So, and then going totally new school is a Volkswagen Golf. Again, it's got some nice wheels on it. It's looking pretty good. These cars are always a fan favorite with the import crowds, so those look really well. And then we got the big beast of the day, which is a highly lifted Cummins 3500 mega cab long box. This used to be a dually. Apparently the guys put some boggers in the back, and look at that size of that differential. Holy smokes, she's pretty fantastic under here, guys. Looks like it's got train horns on it. Of course, getting in and out of this thing would be a real charm. So that's that. But we're going to show you, like I said, we've got a couple other unique vehicles in here. This one is probably the biggest and tallest. This one here, we're going to a nice 25th anniversary Trans Am. Looks pretty well stock for the most part, but it's very nice and clean. Keeping it to new school, here's a GMC, and it's got a nice lift on it, and these real cool looking wheels on it. A little bit of accent striping with kind of like that burgundy red going on. This guy had his hood up. It's a Cummins in it. I think there's a few little bit of modifications, so which is good. Again, another one more on the lowrider with the wide stance on it. Looks good. And I think this is just a customer's car. It is a stock. And here we go. Here's a nice Camaro, late 70s, I believe. And again, packing some power with a turbocharged V8. Again, not too GM knowledgeable, so again, most people might know what that is. Probably an LS engine, and it's got a lot of modifications going up. But the next one is kind of the real different modified as modifications go. Well, guys, we got a smoke show going on over there. Good crowd going, and I wish I was filming it, but we're gonna go take a look at this 6.0 planted Mustang. So again, look at this guy here. This is out of a truck. It's kind of a modified 6.0, and it is in looks like a 2010-ish Mustang. It's all stock apparently. The guy just transplanted a truck engine in it and had to do some modifications to it, of course. But it's got a 6.0 in it, and he planted it in there really good. Apparently it goes awesome, but take a look at that. So here we go. Not a mod you see every day. A nice turbo diesel 6-liter. Not sure what year it is. So anyway, he's got some good modifications, and it's all about being different and effective. So yeah, guys, I thought you guys want to see this. It's kind of a mix of car and truck all in one. So it's a hybrid. Awesome. Hey guys, well, hope you enjoyed this one. This one again is a very talked about truck. Here's a nice F-150. She's got some pretty great size wheels on it. I guess these are like 24s. Those are really nice. It's got a nice custom interior. Look at that. Talk about first class, front and back. She's premium. So it's got the EcoBoost in it. It's probably the 3.5 in it is my guess. Then we got a couple imports here. So we got a Honda Civic and a Subaru STI, and this one's again more in the tuner world, but everything's welcome here, even this Audi that's pulling in. And then we got my totally stock 6.0, and then we got this guy here, this cat-eyed Duramax, I believe it is. It's a nice one. It's clean. I like the color on it. It's got that dark green to it. And then now we got a whole row. That's looking really clean and really nice. I like the way the the rims are, the color of the rims and everything. Film-free auto glass if you're looking for anything. It's got the nice interior, nice leather. So yeah, this one's an older model, but she still looks good. She's a limited. Yeah, guys, these are pretty decent vehicles here. Then we got a nice F-150 Lariat. Not sure what's under the hood of this one. Might be the EcoBoost. And then we got a red F-150 here, and it's got a little bit of a decal to it, so which is looking good. We got a beautiful Super Duty here, all in black, and another one as well. This one's really looking low. Looks like they're ready to take off, so definitely lots of eye candy to have. Let's go take a look at some of the retro vehicles now on this lineup. This is something you don't see every day. A nice Dodge Caravan with the turbo, very rare, and she's got the, looks like it's a non-intercooled 2.5 liter. That's what they normally came with in those years. So this one will have the twin balance shafts, and not sure if it's modified or not, but it looks pretty stock under there. Now we have a Daytona Turbo. Again, one of my all-time 80s favorite vehicles. This one here does have the intercooler in it, so it's a 2.2, 174 stock horsepower. This one's probably modified. I do see some little under hood goodies to it, so who knows what this is packing, but this is the L-body from Chrysler, an 80s favorite. Came in T-tops, one of the last T-top cars you could buy, and Shelby also introduced its own packages. So nice car, got a nice little Mini. And then the C-Class Mercedes. And this is like, I believe it's a 190. And she's very clean. I love these model years of these cars. Are pretty decent. So she's a pretty clean unit. Yeah, 190E. So this is the baby Benz. It's a 2.6. And I also believe they came with a couple other little modifications. So, but here's a little bit of a smoke show. I think they're planning to do this a little bit more. Ooh, she's nice. She's got some grunt to it. I think they're planning to do this officially in the backyard later on the summer. They're going to have another type of show and shine. This one just to get up off the road. Right now it's not going to be that full due to the fact that there's a lot of other shows going on, and of course it's the Stanley Cup playoffs, and today's going to be a nail biter because it's a make it or break it for the Edmonton Oilers. So I think a lot of people are preparing for that as well. Well guys, there you have it. Some really good machines here at Ocdiesel. First vehicle event here and in their new shop, which is looking good. Be sure to check them out if you're looking to get anything done to your vehicle. They'll definitely be able to help you out. They've helped me out quite a bit, and I'm going to be hooking them up and doing some more questions and answers, and you know, looking to get my Super Duty the way it should be. So guys, thanks for joining along. You guys have a good day, and we will catch you on the next episode of Cordetti Motorsports with more 6.0 and diesel content coming your way. You guys stay loose for now.